So this is how to fix. Unfortunately, YouTube has stopped. So when you're using your YouTube app and it pops up, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu, then you tap on your settings app. Then after that, what you have to do, tap on this app and notification. After tapping on it, what you have to do next is to tap on the see your apps. So as you can see, it's loading. After loading, when you see your apps, then you tap on it. So now this is it. So tap on the see your apps. So it's loading right now. So after loading, you're going to see all your apps on your phone listed alphabetical form. So you're going to move from A to Z. So after that, tap on the search bar at the top, then you search for YouTube. Then you tap on the YouTube app. What you have to do is to tap on the storage and cache, clear the cache, then you go back, then you tap mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data and restriction, take it on. Then after that you go back, then you tap on permissions, make sure every permission is really allowed over here, which is really necessary and important. Now tap on notification, make sure it's still good on. So after turning it on or turning it on, what you have to do is to make sure every notification over here is really turned on. So go back, then you tap on first off, then after that you tap on OK. So after that, after doing all this, what you have to do is to go to Google Play Store. So let's go to Google Play Store. So you tap on it. After that, when it opens, tap on the search bar and search for YouTube. Then you tap on it. So after tapping on it, what you have to do next is to tap on update. So when you're seeing update over here, just tap on it. When you're not seeing update and you're seeing opening as you're seeing on my screen or on this phone screen, don't tap on the open. After updating it, just restart your device. So tap on the restart, then tap on OK, and it's going to restart successfully. Thanks very much for watching this video. See you in the next one, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.